Okay.
You really want to start the video off up there?
Yeah.
Okay. You're like 7 months pregnant. How are you gonna do this?
7.5. There are ways. There are ways.
All right. Daredevil pregnancy.
Can you put the stool away? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new, welcome to the tribe. My name is Kristen. Sia, my lovely husband, is behind the camera, and this is Hopscotch the Globe. For the next 4 weeks, we're doing Airstream-a-thon, which means we're sharing with you our Airstream lifestyle and teaching you guys what we've learned living in Luna. Luna is our Airstream for over the last year. This is probably one of the most highly requested videos, but before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos we put out, because if you don't, YouTube doesn't tell you because algorithm problems. Today is moving day, and moving day means we're moving from one campsite to another campsite, which means we need to tidy up Luna on the inside, the outside, because everything that you see on the countertops will topple over and break, and we don't want that to happen. So everything has a place, and we're going to show you exactly where that is. First, I'm going to show you all the stuff that we need to move, and then I'm going to show you where we move it to. Everything on this countertop needs to move because it will fall. It is like being in an earthquake, like an intense earthquake in here when Luna is on the go. I've been in it, even just going like 15 kilometers an hour, and it is terrifying. Okay, we got a diffuser, we got jewelry boxes, we got these very breakable oil bottles, we got a collection of like rocks and stuff, and my beautiful Ganesh, our 100,000 subscriber, 100,000 subscriber play button. Definitely don't want that to break. And our beautiful monitor that we edit all of our videos on. Laptops, expensive like technology, don't want that to break. French press, which we have broke a few times, but not on the road. Dropping it and washing it. We've got all these nuts, I mean, they fall, whatever. A lot of oranges, we don't want those all over the place because that will happen. We got a kettle, we got crackers. These things are actually great. They're spices on magnets and they do not ever fall off, so we don't have to worry about those. And over here, we've got our lovely appliances. We've got a juicer, we've got a blender, we've got our beautiful new espresso maker. And we have to put them away because we don't want them to break either. This is being held up by like one screw. And as you can see, it's like kind of wobbly, so that will come down. This is fine. We don't have to worry about that. We have a sliding door to our bathroom, and this will slide around and it'll also actually fall off, and we have a mirror on here, so we don't want that to break. So what we have to do is secure it. I can actually do this right now. We have just a hair elastic. A little dusty. We got a hair elastic and we just wrap it around one of the wheels. There you go. DIY lock. There we go. And it always does what it's supposed to do. It never comes off. Our tiny bathroom. All of the stuff on here, like our toothbrushes, we got our plants, we've got some oils and stuff. That's all gonna go away. The mirror that we have held up here by one screw again, we're gonna take that down. And all of our shampoos and stuff are gonna come down and go onto the ground of the shower. And the bedroom is pretty much, just leave it how it is because it ain't going nowhere.
This table can't stay in the up position. It's got to be down because when we're moving, this can shake and it can actually pull out the screws that are in the bottom. So we got to lower it. Perfect.
And that was too easy. Let's go. Impromptu dance.
Let's do this!
Woo! Hydration is key. So now we're moving on to the other side, and the sink is like the #1 storage space on this side. We put a lot, as much as possible, in the sink. We put our drying dish rack. It's like a pad. We put it at the bottom of the sink so that the sink doesn't get scratched. And then we put like the blender in and other breakable things in the sink, and it's perfect. All of our plants go in the bottom of the shower pan.
That looks pretty good.
That took us like 5 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 5 minutes to put everything away. There's still more work to do.
Yeah, we're not done yet, so we're gonna take like a little closer up look of certain things that we definitely want to point out. We have these really handy buttons on all of our drawers and cabinets, and you just push them in and it locks the drawer in place, so when we're moving they can't slide out. We'll leave a link to these specific locks in the description box below. We actually have a whole Amazon store and we get a kickback if you purchase through the Amazon store, but we got all of the stuff in our Airstream in that store, so go check it out if you're interested. We have a blanket. We have many blankets, I should say, and we like to cover the screen, our monitor, so that just in case if like it moves around a bit, it doesn't break. Just extra protection. That should be good.
We're also storing some other breakable items here. There's a laptop, there's that play button, there's, you know, some of our rocks and stuff. That suitcase is actually getting packed tonight, but otherwise it would be under the bed. That's why it's out. But this is how the bedroom is gonna stay.
Hug. Oh, thank you. I love you. You're the best dog ever. Popular. All right, so we're about like 15-ish, not even 15 minutes, almost. Everything has been packed because we've done this so often, it's pretty quick. Just so you can see, we have put everything that was on the counter, as well as like our espresso machine. All the plants are in the shower and nothing is on the counter. Oh, almost forgot the mirror.
I think that
actually,
would
no way.
stay.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you put.
I put double-sided like Velcro on there, so yeah. I think that would hold.
Worst case scenario, falls in the toilet and breaks. Whatevs.
We just put these pads underneath so that it creates friction and that these don't slide out, because right now they can slide out pretty easily, but once these are under, they won't slide out.
As you can see, our sink is very full. We've packed as much as possible in it because it is a great place to store things. We have our dry rack pad at the bottom of the sink so it doesn't get scratched. And yeah, everything's looking good. Nothing's on the counter. I think we're ready to pack out outside and then get on our way. Record time!
Record time.
And the crowd goes wild.
This stuff we're just gonna leave. This is Atlas's bed. We're not going too far. If we were driving farther, then we would move this into the car so that he could sleep and be comfortable. This is our juicer. That's just gonna stay there because it's pretty heavy and it doesn't slide very easily. And this is our fruit bowl. That can stay there. Not a big deal. Yeah. You wanna throw it? Go on. So the inside's all packed up. Now we have to pack up the outside. Let's do it. Okay, that's all packed up. Now, we need to pack up this area. Final step for pack up is to get all this stuff into the truck. So, truck is packed. Now all we have to do is hook it up to the Airstream and get on out of here.
how to hook up will be in another video, not this one.
Yeah, so that whole process might have taken 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe an hour including the hookup.
Yeah, most of the work was on the outside, not the inside. You got a little grease on your face there.
Yeah, that happens.
If you guys have not subscribed yet, be sure to do so. Click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when we put up a new video, and we will see you in our next Airstream video. Bye! And we share our lives with you to inspire you and to teach you.